Jeff Gosling steering aids are mainly used by people who have limited arm or shoulder strength, or to assist with one-handed steering. If the steering aid is being used in conjunction with hand controls, it will generally be fitted on the opposite side to the hand controls. If it's being used independently, it's usually fitted on your stronger side. Using a steering aid makes the motion of turning the wheel feel safe and secure by giving you a fixed point of contact. The most commonly used steering aid is the ball grip. It's grasped from the front with a partially clenched hand. The ball grip is available as a fixed or quick release ball. Quick release means that the protruding aid can be removed from the clamp, which stays securely fastened to the steering wheel. We'll demonstrate the quick release mechanism later in this video. An alternative to the ball grip is the steering peg, which is available with quick release mechanism. The steering peg is gripped from the side using a partially clenched hand. Finally, we have the Tetra grip. This steering aid is designed for drivers with a weaker grip and offers more support to the wrist. The Tetra grip is controlled by placing the wrist between two adjustable supports and wrapping your fingers around the peg. The Tetra grip also uses quick release mechanism. To remove the steering aid from the quick release clamp, fully depress the pin in the back of the clamp. Pull out the steering aid. When reinserting the steering aid, depress the pin to lock it back into the shaft. Before driving, ensure the steering aid is fully engaged and does not pull out of the clamp. You may choose the position of the steering aid to suit your requirements, although there may be some restrictions depending on the shape and design of the steering wheel in your vehicle. The steering aid cannot be fitted in line with any spokes or protruding hand grips on the steering wheel. The most common place for a steering aid to be fitted is on the upper part of the steering wheel. Many drivers find that having the downwards motion at the beginning of the turn reduces the strain on their arm and shoulder, especially when driving around town. Information can be found on our website at www.jeffgosling.co.uk, or if you'd like to discuss the steering aids further, please contact us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.